Alright, so this is what we got going today. Just a light yard pour. Decent job for a Monday, nothing too crazy.
Yeah, Horners was
Mud should be pulling up here soon. Got some new tools. Had to spend some money so I didn't have to pay it back in taxes. But we ended up putting some gray pins, y'all see them in the video, on this far side coming back. It's going to end up being open. They're going to use this to wash their horses off and everything. He wanted a little fall going out towards that back, so we put 2 rows of gray pins back in there. I don't know how many of y'all guys use Occidental bags, but I just got my first pair, and I'm telling y'all right now, it's worth $300 they cost. That's some good quality right there. But much will be pulling up here in a second. All right, we got some mud. Here's what I was talking about getting some fall, some water coming out right here. We'll start from there and come out this way. We're gonna flow it in like that and then out. Nice.
I put water in it. Yeah, it sounds like.
Yeah, it'll be all right.
Yeah, let's go and get this road. That's as far as we want to go here.
Yeah.
Get our line.
And we'll pull him back over here.
Street off of. Pull it that way. As far as we go that way. It's gonna go right out of there. Anybody can sit there and rock, you know. Oh, yeah, no,
Frozen.
we'll pull up about 5 feet.
Yep. Got all that drug down. All right, ready, Screed? Go to the time lapse. All right, we got everything poured out. Start hitting some edges. Cut a few joints when it tightens up. And let it sit. Got to cut a joint on that post. Open that one up, open that one up. And I'll have another one right here. And this is going to be open right here so they can wash the water out when they wash their horses off. So we'll put an edge right through here. You can see where we tapered that to the middle so all the water will drain out of there. Alright, we almost got everything floated and edged down. He's got a nut joint over there. Gotta get that one in and one more right here. We just got back from getting batter boards. Gonna see what we can do with it. Looks like it's done a little bit of drying. Pull my britches up. I don't think it's as hard as you think. Well, this is. It's hard underneath. It's still pretty wet. Get some knee boards. Let's see what we can do with it. Maybe knock it out.
Absolutely, that's what we were talking about. You know, if you want to do a really good job. Yep.
Huh?
I forgot what broom.
Yeah. It's doing good over here. Has it not?
For the rest of the house.
Yeah.
Steady one.
A little dip.
Probably about one. Yeah.
Open that joint up there. And their mud has gotten a lot better. Their mud's gotten so much better.
The thing that they were using for something was terrible. Today's the first day it hadn't been like that in a couple of years. And it didn't dry. A bunch of water would come to the top and they'd get like it rained on it. It'd be bad. I mean, you can pour it as dry as they brought it.
I'm gonna go ahead and go up here.
It'd be hard underneath. I told them, I said, man, y'all wouldn't hot something too much like in the wind. We think it was either the sand or the Portland. Trial would be
I'm gonna open up this joint behind me, Lane. I'll throw you the joiner.
Oh, that's open hole there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. All right.
Oh, shoot.
There's one of them.
Yeah.
When you get off, you knock it out there. We'll take it.
Y'all slipping.
So we need to edge that too. Yeah. That's okay. Yeah, we'll get it.
Mm-hmm. Wear the sticker off of it so nobody thinks I'm a newbie. Wear the stickers off of it so nobody thinks I'm a newbie.
Maybe you start something new. Try to keep bigger than it.
Yeah.
These here, they got the hard plastic. They don't get loose with the wood one.
Feel that handle. Is that the same as yours?
Yeah.
Is it?
Same exact handle.
Is it the soft? Is it soft like mine?
Same handle.
Yep.
Same everything. I like that float though.
Feels good, don't it? Uh-huh. Feels good too.
Start brooming down here. That's a lot drier. I think I was sprinkling up to the bottom of the drum. What about that horse here?
I might give it 10 minutes.
Yeah. Put some wet stripes on it. That's the best broom.
Yeah.
It still works. Still does that float too. I don't know. I got breeze.
Yeah, back there was a little bit harder than the rest of it. At the very end. Oh man, you got it. Need an edger? Huh? Did it? It did.
Got an edge or two on it.
Okay. Start brooming.
Jenny's dad, that's what they did every chance they got. They would go to these little towns like
Yeah.
and all these places. Had bluegrass on the weekends in the town square.
Yeah.
That's what she did growing up.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's right beside your house.
Yeah. Look at this little golf cart. Side by side.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Not a real crazy one.
Pay your camper off and get one.
I want a conservative one. I don't want nothing crazy.
Where you want to start brooming at?
I got it. Watch these tools.
All right. Aye, aye, Captain.
Go ahead. I'm messing with you. Watch my tools.
Where do you think's the hardest spot at? Back there?
Wash them myself.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I know mine are dirty.
What?
Honestly, I got a minute. I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna wash my tools, then do it.
You don't bring it, start down there.
I'm gonna wash my tools first.
I'll go ahead and get it because it's hard. A bucket of water.
Oh, you're good. I broom really good. So I can start rounding up tools. I don't.
1 o'clock. It's 12:52.
Alright, he's getting that last section broomed. Got a nice light broom on it. But we're about to go set some batter boards up. And I didn't bring enough batteries to get all that on here, so I guess we'll see y'all tomorrow on the next pump job.